top 10. We going Fred. We were top 10 dead or alive. Swear to God, you already know the vibe. Come on, we outside.
God damn. Little tough bitch. Alright. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. It's early in the morning, 8:30 on a Sunday. That could only mean one thing. We're going to Cars and Coffee today, man. It's been a long time since I went to a Cars and Coffee, so it's been a long time since this car even popped out to any car meet.
You've entered the car park for your destination.
That nigga shit is sitting there nasty, just waiting. And what's up with these non-driver ass niggas, bro? It always be the niggas in Teslas too, man. My shit misfiring, bro. Why the f you misfiring? You acting the f up. God damn. Man, you acting the f up right now, man. Tighten up, bitch. Chilling, bro. It's good, bro.
No?
Yeah, I'm about to get some eatery, I'm not gonna lie. I might get something small. I'm about to get the bacon, egg, and cheese. Inside Germ's whip. We lit, man. We got some extra fuel if we need it. Got my Starbucks. Nigga, I'm ready. I'm ready, bro. I'm fucking ready. Well, we made it. Now there's a long ass line. Fat ass GTR behind me, bro. Shit's tough. Fuck me. All the nice cars pulling up, bro. Oh my fuck, look at that lineup. I know y'all see that Viper. Is that a Viper headlight in the back I see? Bro, I don't even know what's going on, bro. What the fuck, bro? That nigga, that wing fat as fuck. That nigga wing, bro. What's good, what's good, what's good? Thanks, bro. What's good, everybody? What's good, what's good?
What's good, what's good?
Chilling?
Yeah, chilling,
Yes, chilling. Yeah, Arnold popped out. Was good. Yeah, this lineup, I'm not gonna lie. I got the part next to some Type R's, but it's tough. We're the same fam, but a completely different car, but that shit funny. I could keep up with them, so I guess I could park next to them. Got my boy Shane here. Man, that shit look crazy. Bitch, I thought Germ just aired out, bro. I looked at your car, I said, what the f*** you got going on, bro? Long time no see, man.
Oh, shit, they keep catching me on camera. I call this the toothache. Missing chip tooth right here, yeah.
Oh, no. That boy getting in there with that camera, that Osmo 3.
It's the Osmo 3, dog. Bit off.
Osmo Pocket 3. My fault. You gonna put down
Creator violence.
You can put down in the back of a whip, right? Looks sophisticated, bro. I'm fucking with it. Got the different material sweater. I'm fucking with it, bro.
You know,
glasses.
I had to go RC today.
All right, bro. That boy said RT. All right. Yeah, bro.
Don't go close, but catch the tire.
Oh, fuck. What's going on back here, bro? 345, bro. Holy shit. That's where it really is. That should breathing nasty. I'm already knowing, bro. I don't even want to meet the owner, bro. He got it. Made so well. You can see how aerodynamic this shit is, fam. This shit just looked like it cut through the air, fam. That shit is shaped like a bullet, bro. Like, excuse me? I'm supposed to be running things like this?
Get that tire set up, bro.
Nah, I need a tire setup for sure, but running anybody on 345, I'm losing, brother.
45 is crazy.
345 beadlocks is crazy, bro. I'm not gonna lie. He got beadlocks for a reason, huh?
That's a big ass tire.
For a reason.
For a reason. Them tires spin the fuck off. That's why he got beadlocks, bro. That shit grip up so much the tires spin the fuck off. You got that, bro. Bro, that dog is fire, bro. Nah, that is fire. What? Cars and Coffee bringing the heat, bro. Bringing the fucking heat. There's some shit you see in a video game, nigga. Oh my god. Oh my god. What are these Euro style mirrors? What is this? These mirrors are tough, bro. He got the driving gloves sitting waiting for him, man. What? Damn, bro. Nah, this shit is.
You see the TEs?
Nah, this shit wet.
With the center caps, he got money.
Ain't them center caps like 100 each or some shit like that?
Per. 100 per. Which is crazy.
Mm.
The caps?
Yeah, it's just a center cap,
center
bro.
caps. Oh, I'm flipping them shits off right now. I said it was 75,
Clean ass paint. I know this shit moving, man. Shit's clean, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Shit.
Dirty as right now, bro.
That shit still look crazy. My shit dirty too, bro.
That's so disgusting right now. My car's so good, I can't. I don't even know why.
Yeah, that trans freshly painted, bro.
Sure.
Freshly painted. That boy just put that shit in last night.
Trying to clean his house. He got one seat.
All the welding work to the side.
Oh, look at this.
Shit clean. Don't matter, bro. And look what's right next to that shit.
That's the point. Because
Exactly.
that's where people going to take pictures and you're going to see this.
I feel you. It's a K24.
24.
Stock? Stock block?
Type S pump.
Type S pump?
All-wheel drive. Well, soon. I have the all-wheel drive transmission on the car. I just got to put the back
drive
piece on.
shaft,
It's not fully done yet, but just the back piece and it's full complete all-wheel drive.
That's fine, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, Papa.
Still on
Papa.
the stock wheels, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta do
I need to do this, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
You would never know. There's no
I need to do this, bro. Fuck, he got the 4-door shit too, bro. With the hybrid badge. Funny.
That's full sleeper, bro.
Shit
Yeah,
is nuts.
this is one of those where it's like you get your ass whooped and you like, bro, what just happened?
Fuck, bro. This shit is nasty, bro. That shit hold power, bro.
Baby fresh kicks right here, boy.
No cap. 4-door fresh kicks. Oh, oh, chill. Is that a twin turbo Lambo? Twin turbs, dude. You can see the f***ing turbo right there, bro. Oh my god. Bro, that's money, bro. No, Mike, that's money,
That's
bro.
actually crazy how much money that is.
bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Nah.
Look at the hood.
Nah.
Bro, that's what I see.
How y'all feel about these lights? I seen a bunch of people putting lights on their cars, but I also seen that shit was scratching up the paint. So it was fucking up niggas brand new shit, bro. I need to get myself on tires, bro. I just need to get my suspension right. Yo. And then you got the old school Viper right in front of that shit. Oh my god. It's nasty. There you go.
One more.
M5 comp. You hear that spool down, bro?
What's the year?
Look at the drone.
Yeah, bro.
That's a big ass drone.
Okay. That shit pushing off breeze though.
I'm so nervous. You're used to this?
Hey, just know that's the first time she came out with you. He's getting
Yeah,
crazy.
he's getting.
Yeah, look, stick. It's in gear.
Oh, yeah.
Correct. Keep going right. Go right. Keep going right. Don't be afraid. Go right. Go right. Straighten out now. Straighten out. Straighten out. Straighten out. Hard. Now wait right here. Wait. Keep front of brake. Ready brake real quick.
All you, baby.
Yeah.
Throwing that in the car, hopefully. It's a built 1 through 4 gearbox, so you should be able to get the boost. Hopefully go for 400 calm.
Make it active. I'm addicted to flashing and fashion.
I'm about to tell her pop her hood, but I'm not gonna lie. I know if we just stand here, she gonna pop me eventually. I thought my method would work.
Oh, just staring?
Yeah. It ain't work.
Love the Camaro.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
That makes sense.
There you go. Yo, Terrell. I got my tools in the car, bro. What you trying to do? Ain't nothing here you want?
All them boys got a intake on that shit. We all run the same thing.
Bro, that's a Corvette intake.
Yeah, but it's not giving you much more. I already did my research.
Oh, where my
Yeah,
fault?
me and Arnold already spun the block. Well,
Oh, shit.
85 to flex fuel.
Alright.
Same exact brand. Intake, same exact brand.
Yeah,
And
type
look,
shit.
I bet you that I already know they got long tube headers. I just couldn't tell you the company. I just stood there just to steal it though.
Oh, shit.
That square ass nigga. That's him.
Oh, it is
That's
him.
a square ass nigga.
Is it, bro?
Punch that boy right now, no cap. I'll be dead on wrong. I think it's a 10 or 82. Yeah, 10 speed. I'm not ramping with him, bro.
They gon' recognize now that I'm blessed.